Hi everyone. Today we're gonna take this that's dripping coconut water all over me. It was just cut down from the tree, and we're gonna turn it into this. What do we call this?
A Lamaw.
They're gonna try to teach me how to cut into a coconut, a buko. Let's give it a try. Where did these come from?
Coconut?
The buko. Yeah.
Of course, the coconut tree.
How do you know when it's ready to harvest?
I think the sounds. If you do this and the sounds here. See? You hear that? That's the sound if it's ready to cut the buko and drink.
How long does the coconut have to grow before it's ready to harvest?
Only 13 weeks.
3 months. Okay. Do you need special shoes or like a belt to hold
No,
you? Just brave enough.
Yeah.
So we got these buko here. I'm used to seeing when you buy them, they're like bright green.
3 different colors. The orange one, the dark orange, and the green one. So this one is the orange. No, it's not orange. It's mixed with the green. You need to cut here, not here.
Why?
It because the one is not sharp. I don't know how to cut, Mandong. Don't show my face, don't have.
Oh.
So here, you wanna try? Use it. You don't need to use a straw or a glass. Sweet?
Yeah, it's very good.
Ano na pagbe? One more? Put it here. Coconut wine.
What do you call coconut wine?
Tuba.
Is that what we're gonna do here?
No. The coconut wine is not come from the buko. I will get kanang spoon. Oh, see, perfect. You wanna try?
Yes. Then. Let's keep clean and just an original Viagra, my friend. Yes. You know, a buko.
It's like natural Viagra.
Alright, original Viagra.
That's good to know. It melts in your mouth. This is really good.
You don't want.
I wouldn't think by looking at these coconuts that they'd be so ready to eat, but it's delicious. Whenever you buy them, after you've drank the water out of it, most people just leave the coconut, and that's insane. Don't do that. Have them cut it in half for you and then spoon out the meat. It's
That's limbahon in Visayan. Kidney or.
And then later on, we add milk, condensed milk, and evap milk, and ice. Oh.
Is that too far? Or that's
good,
okay?
That's good, yeah.
Oh,
You can do it.
apparently I can't. Struggle. Like at an angle.
Yeah.
Ooh, did I get it? Almost. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh. Why is it leaking out? Oh. See, oh my gosh. Look at that thing is full. So the longer you wait to harvest, does it gets more full of the coconut water? Mm-hmm. Oh, that smells so good. So am I dumping it in the bucket now?
Yep.
Oh, my back. Oh, that hurts. So now we have to split it, right?
Yep.
Oh, this is scary.
Other side, dong.
Other side?
Yep.
Look, is that okay to have some of that
Yeah, give me that.
on there? You're supposed to record yourself eating. I need a break. Oh man, my back is killing me. Let me film you.
Let me do it. Are you okay?
You're quite a bit better at this.
This is our snacks. When I was a kid, this is our snack.
How much would you sell these coconuts for? Like ready to drink, ready to eat, like he's doing.
For the small glass, 20 pesos. Oh no, 10 pesos. 10. And then the big glass, 20.
See, he's very proficient at this.
There's a lot of langaw, guys. There's a lot of langaw.
Okay, mo ganito sa Texas. Oh no.
Ay, kanira, te. Come on. Nigo na ko na.
Di chat romantenga. Kita gituon.
Gani. Tuyugan ka na ko. She will help us.
Yati.
She sell buko every day.
Every day. She really knows what she's doing. That's why she came across the street like, oh, let me help you. You guys have no idea.
Yeah.
Mapalit rin ang sabaw, nakapuspos man ta.
I will get ice and milk.
Tiga natin bang gabapok na.
I'm preparing ice and milk.
Why does the ice come in a tube like that? It's just because they fill the bag with water and then.
Yeah. And I sell it for 5 pesos each.
That we
It's
can send.
missing sari store, guys. Guys. Sapiat. Ano eh?
Ingon na bagalay siya. Ingon na galit siya sa.
Okay. Condense first and then the evap. Mix, mix, mix. How much do you want? 20, 10. Are you try this though?
Tabang kuno i-mix pa na siya.
Not too sweet, right?
That's
Or need
really
more
good.
need more condensed.
No, it's really good because it has. There's a tanginess and a sweetness to it, and the coconut. Will people mix like rum with it?
No?
No.
You will get LBM if you mix it with the rum.
So sabaw sa mga na.
Di ba ato palit og ako.
Ay, isa ka baso kay butahan si Kuam, Justin.
Well, I want to thank my friends here at their brand new Sari Sari store, Dao Barangay, up above Tagbilaran. If you're out in the yard harvesting the coconuts, everybody comes out to enjoy it.